Hi, I'm Erwin Strohmeyer from Sterile Space Infection Defense, and today we're going to show you what the average child care center chair looks like after not receiving proper cleaning attention for quite a while, and in this case I happen to know it's decades. Take a look at this seat. So here's a chair that we picked up from a child care center the other day. Owner wants to see what we can do with it as far as cleaning. I mean, you can absolutely see how disgustingly dirty it really is. And when we move it around to show you, I mean, it's just filthy is an understatement. And then when you look underneath, it's even worse because you can see how much bacteria has accumulated for quite a long time on this chair. And that is all bacteria and germs that kids are putting their fingers on and getting in their mouths, and it's just disgusting. So we're going to show you how we decontaminate a chair like this and make it look as good as new. This is Victor Sanchez, my crew chief, also my head pressure washing tech, who is now lathering down this chair with a mixture that we make up between a disinfectant-based detergent cleaner and a stronger degreaser, because God knows a lot of this stuff is in sad shape. So Victor's now going to start with the pressure washing. You can really see the massive difference. That is a massive, massive, massive difference. That is a massive difference. This is a massive difference. This is what happens when you use Sterile Space Infection Defense for the decontamination, disinfection, and antimicrobial treatment of your school. We warranty our services for a year to help seriously reduce the ability for infectious microbes to survive, thrive, and colonize on your surfaces. And those were very colonized surfaces.